Okay, grid 2. When we open the Scratch website, we can click Join Scratch. For the first time, I have to click Join Scratch. Okay, when I click Join Scratch, he asked me for a username. Like I can name it ICT Grid 2. And then create a password Grid 2. Okay? I make a password. The country. Yes. Okay, good, good. But you can make a username and password, okay? It's good. Yes. Make a username and a password. And then you have to fill this information. Like write an email. Use your parents' email. Okay. Use your parents' email. Now I create account. I make it ICT Grid 2. Here we go. After I make account, I want to skip this. Show you how to make like a Scratch. I have to confirm my email. I have to confirm my email, and I have a message from Scratch. They welcome me, I think. They said for you, welcome to Scratch. Go explore or make a project. Okay, so this is the Scratch. I click create to start my first Scratch project. Okay, Grid 2. Now I'm able to share my project. I'm able to share my project, but I have to confirm my user. I have to go to my email and confirm my user. Now I can share my projects, okay?